Samsung is preparing to release the Galaxy S25 Edge, and it's already generating a lot of excitement. One of its standout features is its incredibly slim design, measuring just 5.84 millimeters thick. This has raised concerns that Samsung might have had to compromise on performance and battery life to achieve such a thin profile. However, new benchmark results suggest otherwise. Earlier reports indicated that the S25 Edge would come with the same Snapdragon 8 Elite processor found in other Galaxy S25 models. Now, a recent test on a Korean variant of the phone, SMS 937N, confirms this. Not only does the phone run on an 8-core Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, but it also features an overclocked version made specifically for Samsung. These results show that the S25 Edge performs nearly on par with a more premium Galaxy S25 Ultra. When it comes to raw performance, the benchmark scores of the S25 Edge are impressive, especially for a phone with such a slim build. Typically, thinner smartphones struggle to match the power of their larger counterparts due to space constraints that affect cooling and battery capacity. Yet, Samsung seems to have found a way to maintain high performance without significantly sacrificing efficiency. However, there is still a big question about heat management. The base Galaxy S25 has already been reported to experience overheating under heavy use, even with an improved cooling system. With the S25 Edge being much slimmer, keeping temperatures under control could be a challenge. Some believe the phone's larger display might help with heat dissipation, but real-world usage will be the true test. Aside from its powerful chipset, the S25 Edge is expected to have a 6.7-inch display, making it a great option for those who prefer a large screen. Camera enthusiasts might be excited about the possibility of a 200-megapixel main sensor similar to the one in the Ultra model. However, to maintain its ultra-thin form, Samsung has reportedly reduced the number of rear cameras from 3 to 2. Additionally, the battery is rumored to have a capacity of 3,900 mAh, which is smaller than other S25 models. This might mean shorter battery life, but Samsung could be implementing software optimizations to extend usage time. Pricing for the S25 Edge remains uncertain. Some sources suggest it may be in the same range as the Galaxy S25 Plus, while others believe it could be priced higher. Another factor that remains unclear is availability. It is still unknown if this model will be sold in markets like the United States, leaving many potential buyers waiting for official confirmation from Samsung. Another interesting rumor surrounds the materials Samsung will use for this device. Some leaks suggest a ceramic body, while others hint a titanium frame. Either way, Samsung seems to be focusing on a premium look and feel, making this one of the most stylish flagship devices they have ever made. If Samsung does move forward with the S25 Edge, it will face competition, particularly from Apple's rumored iPhone 17 Air. Apple is reportedly working on a similarly thin smartphone, which may even replace the Plus model in their lineup. With both companies emphasizing ultra-slim designs, it will be interesting to see which one consumers prefer. For now, there are still many unanswered questions about the Galaxy S25 Edge. Will the slim design impact battery performance? Will it be priced competitively? And most importantly, will it be available in all major regions? These details should become clearer once Samsung officially reveals the device. What we do know is that the S25 Edge is shaping up to be a high-performance smartphone, even with its ultra-thin design. With a powerful processor, large display, and premium materials, Samsung is aiming to deliver a flagship experience without adding extra bulk. As more details emerge, we'll get a better idea of whether this phone lives up to the hype. If you're excited about cutting-edge smartphone design, this could be one to watch. Be sure to stay tuned for more updates, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest tech news.